welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we're back here at Knott Berry Farm. I'm here for the weekly updates just to see what's new in the park. I know the pizzeria is finally open, so we're definitely going to try some of that. And I came with my sister today, so she's definitely going to do some rides. So we're just going to have a little nice morning. So come along and let's go. We're here for rope drop once again. 10 a.m. Let's see what's open. My sister and Jenny are about to do Supreme Scream. Again, I am sitting that one out. I am too scared. I've been on it once in my life. Actually, going down wasn't that bad. It's going up. It's just scary. If you are missing La Papa Loca and you want the food, it is currently closed, but the menu items will be temporarily offered at the Wilderness Broiler in Ghost Town. There they go. They got on fast. They're the only ones currently on it. Good luck, guys! Woo. Are they scared? They look pretty good. Oh! Bye-bye! How was it?
It was scary.
It was scary?
Yeah, but I got a little nervous.
I
didn't film because I got nervous, but after it was fun, huh? Yeah.
Like once you drop, right? It's going up or?
No, going up was easy, right? Yeah, going up was easy.
Do you guys feel it in your stomach?
No. It was nice, huh?
Yeah,
I mean, not nice.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Okay, it is a Logride's birthday, so we had to come and do it. I am in the front today, so I hope I don't get like soaked, please. I don't want to. But look, the water is flowing again, once again, on the log ride. Okay, so sitting in the front, you definitely get drenched. So I just finished doing the log ride, and of course I sat in the front, and you do get way more wet than in the back. And also, it's actually scarier. I don't know, those animatronics look a little more scarier front everything, but super fun. Both going on hang time. I don't know where Jenny got all this courage, but I have yet to find mine, so I will be watching them from the sidelines once again. I'm just currently being the bag holder, waiting for them to get on. Okay, I wonder if that is them going up. Let's see if I can get them. Okay, they're in the back row. Woo! There they go.
That was worse.
Worse?
Worse, way worse.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, but not for a while, but it was worse. It was amazing.
Okay, so a ride I could do is Coast Rider. It's like Goofy's Fly School at Disneyland, so yeah, easy. Here we go! Now this is what I call really.
Oh my god, my stomach.
Look at the views up here. Looks pretty. We're going on the little drop. Good morning. So cute. Okay, so next ride is Calico River Rapids. We love this ride.
I'm gonna get karma.
Okay. No, not that bad. Oh my goodness. Oh! So we got soaked. Well, I got soaked on this one. My whole back is drenched. My front, my feet. Woo, but it was still fun. Yeah, super fun. So right near the Pony Express is the Wilderness Broiler. Since Papa Loca is closed, they did move the menu here to Wilderness Broiler. But just to let you know, as of now, they do not have the carne asada fries. So hopefully they do come. But they don't have them now. And that was like a big staple at Papa Loca. So I'm kind of shocked that they don't have them. Maybe they will bring them. I'll let you know if they do. But as of now, they do not. Okay, like what I seen on the menu, they had like buffalo popcorn chicken. They have like these new cowboy fries, cheese fries, garlic fries, ton of fries with like toppings, but no steak asada fries. So Knott Berry Farm, this maze is usually the Origins maze. So I wanted to come to see if we have any updates. But I do see like in the back, like maybe some props. Let me try to zoom in so you can see what they have. Seems as though they're definitely starting to work on this maze for Scary Farm. So we now have walls up here at Montezuma's Revenge. But the thing that is most striking is that they have taken away the loop of the track. Look at this, it's definitely been removed. Wow. Now that Fiesta Village is getting a remodel, they're moving fast over here now. I did not expect that. For such a long time I would come and there would be nothing, and now they are definitely working on Montezuma's Revenge. So the excitement is starting. Yeah, so you can no longer go up to like the entrance anymore. It is all boarded up. That's what's left of this loop. You can see like just the bottom part, but nothing on the top. That is so crazy. Okay, I keep getting different angles of this, but there it is. Oh, the classic, iconic Montezuma's Revenge loop gone. She does these rides. They look crazy. So now that Papa Loca is closed, it looks like Fiesta Dog is open. This wasn't always open during the week, but I also have another update if you want to see the mariachis, Angelitas. They have now moved to the Calico Town Square, so they are here. So that is super cool. This is the Summer Nights entertainment for tonight, but we are happy that the mariachi Angelitas are still here. Look at these huge prizes. We got Jigglypuff and Pikachu here. That's cute, and a Pokeball. It is a Logride's birthday today, so I wanted to come just check it out. But look at that water. It is now flowing all the way down. Before it was just like this green area, but now the water is back flowing, and it looks so good. Looks like seating for the Prop Shop Pizzeria is pretty popular. It is all packed. So we finally got to try the Prop Shop Pizzeria, and it was so nice inside. I did take some video of the menu, so I'll insert some clips just so you know like the prices and what to expect, like to pay when you come to Knott's, and like what offerings they have. But all the food looked pretty fresh. It looked delicious, like all the options. I do want to come back and try the pasta, but today we did get a good amount of food, so let me show you what we got. We got a whole lot of food to try. We got the garlic knots, the pepperoni stromboli, the tiramisu, slice of pepperoni. So we just finished eating and everything was pretty good. Everything we got, we're like in a little food coma right now because it was a ton of food. But I do recommend everything we got. Like I said, the prices are a little steep. Like for a slice of pizza, it's $10. It is a pretty big slice and it is tasty, and especially for amusement parks. So you're paying amusement park prices, but I do feel like the food is like a little elevated here. So everyone liked their meal. The garlic knots, my sister really liked too. Jenny loved the marinara sauce. Like you could tell like the sauce does taste good. All right, so I just tried the tiramisu. That is my first time ever having it, so I have nothing to compare it to, but I thought it was good. It was like a little moussey, like the top, and it had like a little coffee flavor, but I did like it. It was pretty good. So far we are happy with Pizza Prop Shop. Definitely gonna try it again, and I'm glad it's a new option here at Knott's. They have a new prop out today. It's a shark. You can see it's like hanging. Ooh. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it here today from Knott Berry Farm. We were only here for a few hours, and she was able to do like how many rides? 7 rides. So again, we really recommend Rope Drop. We tried the pizzeria, was delicious, and we also got some updates at Montezuma's Revenge. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.